today we have a new project. We're going to install the new headlight, xenon headlights for the Honda Transalp 650. And we never did it before, but we do it professionally with the cars headlights, and as well we have a feeling that it's not enough lights originally on the motorbike, and we think that the daylight Honda Transalp will be much more better. For example, you can see the original location of the lamp. This is H4 standard. It's pretty enough space to install the lens and as well the good headlight, which will be Bi-Xenon. We'll show you the default light, how bright is it. It's not enough bright originally, and as well it's yellow. In the evening time it's pretty weak. And this is the far light. Dismantling process in progress. As you can see, we removed the lamp. This is our professional light specialist engineer Bogdan, and this is the components.
These components we install to this motorcycle.
Yeah. This is the lens, as I understand.
Lens.
Yes.
This is angel eyes.
Angel eyes. Okay.
Mask.
This is the mask. Nice.
Uh,
And this is the Bi-Xenon lamp and also the firing block.
yes.
Okay, very nice. Job done. You can see now there is a new look. Looks pretty, yeah? Let's check how it's glow. So this is our angel eye. It's very beautiful, yeah? And now let's see it, the light itself. Low light and the high light. You can also see on the lamp exactly how it's bright. So if you have any questions, you can contact me and I can give you all information regarding the upgrading the lights for the Transalp 650, and not only. We're also selling cars and all kinds of motorbikes. Bye.